Oh boy, I'm about to give me some clippers. I'm about to hit my favorite spot. You know, I'm about to hit Brochet's business. You know, I do black owned stuff. You know what I mean? You know, you gotta keep money in the house, man. You know what I mean? And they got the little chrome joints, man. The chrome joints. That's what I call them, the chrome joints. You know what I mean? That metal housing. You know what I mean? I just love them things, man. I just like how they look, man. You know what I'm saying? Look, check me out. That Brochet's. Thanks for holding the door for me. It's so nice to have the door open for you. You know what I mean? See, the people here nice. They hold the door open for you. The lady held the door open for me. How did that happen? Shoot. Must be my day. Is it my day today, Bree? Look at the camera and tell the camera it's my day.
It's your day.
What I'm getting? What I'm buying today?
You getting the cordless magic?
Them chrome things. That's what I call them, chromey things. Is that metal housing?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, look at that. That's pretty, ain't it? She's so silly. Look, she get happy when she make money. You see how that go? I get happy for clippers, she get happy for money.
It's another K-Town beat. YouTube, I'm back. Look, I just bought the middle Wahl magic clip, right? So you seen in the beginning, I went to my favorite beauty supply. You know, it's black on. It's called Brochet's. It's also called Bennett's. It's under the same umbrella, same people. You know, same company. You know. So anyway, if you need to know where to get your latest products at, go there, because that's where I always go. I just try to support my people, and you know, people that mess with me, I mess with them. You know what I'm saying? Me casa, you casa. You know, something like that. However it go. Anyway, so I got these, right? And the unboxing it's a regular unboxing. So let me tell you the difference in the unboxing, right? It comes with 3 premium guards. So you have a half guard, you have the 1 guard, and you have the 1.5 guard. That's a good thing to have, because sometimes you wear out your other guards, and these guards are premium. They're not just the plastic little flimsy ones that they always give you, but they stepped it up with these. Also, the housing is metal, and that's a good thing. It don't feel cheap. It feel like a real solid clipper. You know what I mean? If some of y'all like the Masters out there, this is similar to the Masters, like as far as feel goes, right? Power wise, the power is good. Let me let y'all hear it. You hear it? Real smooth, not too loud, right? So I like that. I've been using them for about 5 days now, so I can give you the real rundown on them. Another thing, they are easy to zero gap. You can zero gap the heck out these things. Look, I don't know if you can see it, but you can zero gap them easy. Now, the 1919s were a little harder to zero gap. You got to do a couple things to them to get them to zero gap. Good clipper, but this one is better. The reason being because it's easier to zero gap. Also, if you thought the 1919s were heavy, which they not, but if you thought they were heavy, these are a tad bit lighter, in my opinion. Now, you might ask somebody else, they might say something. It looks the exact same, but for some reason, to me, these feel lighter, and I have both, so I held it in my hand. So, that's another advantage of these. To me, the run power is a little longer than the 1919s. Also, this cuts bulk great, like thick hair. It can run straight through it, no problem. I tried it. I have clips. I'm gonna show y'all some of these clips. You know, they've been playing already, but you know, the clips of me using the product and how they fade, and and with these clippers, they have the grooves back here. You know, it just feels good in your hand. You know what I mean? So that's what I wanted to say. I just overall like the clipper. You know, it got the stagger tooth as normal. You know what I mean? It has this is not a fading blade. This is like this is just a cutting blade. Like this is mainly for, to me, this is for shaping, but it gives you that precise fade where you can, like if you was trying to do a shape up, you see how flat that is? So when you're going, you could just go straight and it'll sharpen everything. Or if you want to just trim the wire hairs, this is perfect because of how the blades sit. So you could just go and it's already flat. You see that? It's like flat already. So this is good. This is for precision. They also have the other blades that you can use with the grooves in it. That's a fade blade. So whatever blade you like, but the staggered tooth makes the blend come out effortlessly. Like it looks so beautiful. It's like buttery, it's blurry, you know what I mean? That's what you want. So overall, I just like these clippers. I love the housing that they did with it. I love that they made it easy to zero gap, and so that's my take on them. Out of these, the 1919s, the regular magic clip, is it better than the regular magic clip? To me it is, because it cuts bulk. I don't think the other magic clip really cuts through bulk that well, not my pair anyway. So these do though. So better than the regular maroon magic clips. Yeah, these are better. And I had the black and gold ones. They're pretty cool too, but these, I like them the way they feel. Like I said, they're not cheap. So yeah, man, I mean, this is a good clipper, good trimmer. Might want to just check that out, roll with it, see what it do. But anyway, yeah, like I said, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description of where I get my clippers from. This beauty shop that I go to. I mean, not beauty shop, beauty supply that I go to, right? And they have all the latest stuff. Like when I got the Wahl detailers, they had them first. When I had, when I got the Bablis Gold FX, I got them from them. They had them first, So, if you're looking for stuff ahead of time, or right on time, like first day type thing, that's where you want to go. You know what I mean? So I'll leave that in the description for you. Also, other products and stuff that I get off of Amazon that you see me using, the holding sprays that I use, the atomizer that I use to spray the hair fibers, the hair fibers that I use, free samples of that. So yeah, all that good stuff. So make sure you check my description, because that's where everything is at. That's where all the information at. Anyway, it's your boy, you know what I mean? Until next time, love, peace, and hair grease.